In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a Jotform. Let's get right into it. First things first, we need to head over to the Jotform website. Jotform is an incredibly versatile tool that allows you to build forms for pretty much any purpose you could think of. Whether it's for gathering event registrations, conducting surveys, or just collecting feedback, Jotform has got you covered. So, to start this journey, simply type warsaw.jotform.com into your web browser and press enter. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a login button. Click on that to begin the login process. If you've connected your Google account or any other platform with Jotform, you'll see those options here as well. This makes it super easy to sign in without having to remember another password, which, let's be honest, is a blessing in this age of countless online accounts. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where all your forms are displayed under My Forms. This is where the magic starts. Find the form you want to work on and simply hover over it. You'll see an option that says Edit Form. Click on that because we're about to add something special to your form. Now that you're in the form builder, look for the Add Element button. It's usually on the left side of the screen. This is your gateway to all the different fields and features you can add to your form. We're interested in adding a signature field today, so under the Basic tab, look for the signature element. It's a simple way to gather signatures electronically, maintaining both convenience and legality. Adding the signature element to your form is as simple as a drag and drop. Once it's placed where you want it, you're just about done. The next step is to make this form accessible to others so they can sign it. Go ahead and click Publish at the top of the form builder. After that, you'll see an option that says Open in New Tab. Click on that and it will take you to the live form. This is exactly what people will see when they access your form, and there beneath whatever questions or fields you've added is your freshly minted signature field. Now let's test it out. You can use your mouse or your finger if you're on a touchscreen device to sign directly in the box. It's incredibly intuitive. Once you do that and submit the form, your signature is saved securely with the form submission. Pretty cool, right? And just like that, you've added a signature to your Jotform. This feature is particularly handy for consent forms, contracts, or any document that requires a sign-off. It lends an air of professionalism and formality, all while being incredibly convenient for both you and the signer. Before we wrap up, let's touch on a few tips to make sure you get the most out of your Jotform experience. First, consider customizing the design of your form to match your brand or the event it's for. Jotform offers a wide range of customization options, from colors and fonts to layouts and background images. A branded form not only looks more professional, but also reassures users that the form is legitimate. And don't forget, Jotform automatically saves your progress as you build your form, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. However, it's always a good idea to preview your form before publishing it, just to ensure everything looks and works as expected. So, there you have it. Whether you're collecting signatures for a new club, organizing event RSVPs, or conducting business electronically, Jotform makes it easy and secure. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Remember, the key to creating successful forms is not just in their functionality, but also in how they're presented. With Jotform's flexibility and ease of use, you're well on your way to creating forms that not only look great, but work seamlessly too. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing for more tutorials. Happy form building, and see you in the next one.